Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today's video is about my other guideline for reading a 4-letter word with the help of some diphthong pairs, as OU and OW makes the sound as ow and OI and OY makes the sound as oi. So here are some words that I prepared for my child to practice with her, and after practicing I'll do a very simple activity to make her more perfect. So watch it till the end and let's do it together. Now Filza, we are going to learn about the diphthongs, okay? So there are some pair of vowels that makes the same sound. So we are going to learn about that. Come on. What is the sound of OU? Ow. So what is MOUSE?
Mouse.
Very good. What is LOUD?
Loud.
Very good. Loud. HOUSE?
Hat.
What is the sound of H?
Huh.
What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
What is the sound of S? The sound of E is silent here. It is a silent E. So HOUSE?
House.
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 Now, what is CLOUD? What is the sound of what is the sound of C? What is the sound of L? L. The sound of OU?
Ow.
Ow. And the sound of D? So CLOUD?
Cloud.
Very good. Cloud. What is the sound of SH?
Sh.
What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
What is the sound of T? So SHOUT?
Shout.
Very good. Shout. What is the sound of R? What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
What is the sound of N? What is the sound of D? So ROUND?
Round.
Round. Very good. What is the sound? MOUTH?
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good. Mouth. What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
What is the sound of R? R. So OUR? Our.
Hour.
The sound of OU? Ow. And the sound of R? R. Our.
Hour.
What is the sound of N? N. Say loudly, Filza. What is the sound of OU?
Ow.
And the sound of N? So NOUN.
Ow.
What is it? Start with N sound here. NOUN. Look here. NOUN. The sound of N. The sound of OU. Ow. And the sound of N. So NOUN. Noun. FOUND.
Found.
Very good. Found. Now here OU makes the sound as ow and the OW also makes the sound as ow. So these are two pairs of diphthongs that makes the same sound. It's like ow.
Ow.
OW. Ow.
O-W.
When you fell down, how do you make a sound? Ouch. Yes, ow sound will come here. Now tell me, what is COW?
Cow.
Very good. OWL.
Ow.
Owl. It ends with L sound. Owl. Now keep your finger here. What is the sound of T? What is the sound of OW?
Ow.
Ow. And the sound of ER? So TOWER.
Tur.
TOW. Tow. ER. Tower.
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 Yes. Now what is the sound of T? What is the sound of OW?
Ow.
What is the sound of EL?
L.
Very good. So TOWEL.
Tell.
Tow.
Tell.
Look here.
Towel.
Towel. Yes, towel. TOW. Tow. ELL. Towel.
Towel.
Now TOWN. What is TOWN? What is the sound of T? What is the sound of OW?
Ow.
And the sound of N? So TOWN.
Down.
Down. Very good. Now BROWN.
Brown.
Very good. FROWN.
Frown.
Very good. CLOWN.
Clown.
Very good. DOWN.
Down.
Very good. CROWN.
Ground.
So what is the sound of C? What is the sound of R? What is the sound of OW? And the sound of N? So CROWN.
Clown.
Crown. Okay. So you got the sound of OU and OW. It's ow. Yeah. Now next pair of the diphthongs that makes the same sound is OI and OY. Okay. Now here OI makes the sound as oi. Oi. And here OY also makes the sound as oi. You know, as I said before, that Y at the end of a word makes the sound as I. So here it also makes the sound as oi. Like here it makes the sound as oi. Here OY also makes the sound as oi. Now look here. What is JOIN?
Join.
Very good. COIN.
Coin.
Very good. BOIL.
Boy.
Boil. Very good. SOIL.
Soy.
Very good. FOIL.
Foy.
OIL.
Oil.
Oil. Very good. POINT.
Point.
Point. Very good. SPOIL.
Point.
Spoil. It ends with L sound. Spoil.
Point.
NOISE. What is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? What is the sound of OI?
Oil.
I. And the sound of S? S. And here is silent. So NOISE. Noise. Very good. Noise. NOISY.
Noise.
Noisy.
Noisy.
Noisy. And the sound of N. The sound of OI. Oi. SYZ. Noisy.
Noisy.
Now here OY also makes the sound as oi now. Yeah. So now tell me BOY.
Boy.
Boy. Very good. JOY.
Joy.
Joy. Very good. TOY.
Toy.
Very good. TROY.
Toy.
TROY.
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 Troy. Now COW. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of OW? Ow. So COW. Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Here, look here, Filza. COW. Cow. BOY.
Boy.
Boy. Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Yes. What is the sound of D?
The
D. What is the sound of ES?
ass.
S. DES.
Death.
This. TROY. Troy. Destroy.
Destroy.
Yes, here with more than 4-letter word we need to break a word in between, yeah?
Yeah.
So that I'll teach afterwards. Now EN. What is the sound of EN?
And
N. JOY.
joy.
So ENJOY. It start with good. Tell me.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Very good. What is the sound of AN?
And
NOY.
noise.
Noise. So ANNOY. And
Annoy.
very good. Annoy. Now what is the sound of EM?
And
MPLOY.
boy.
Ploy. Ploy.
Ploy.
So EMPLOY.
Ploy.
EM. It start with EMM. Ploy. Yeah.
Employ.
Very good. Now, what is the sound of L? L. What is the sound of OY? Oi. LOY.
Loy.
Loy. AL. L. So LOYAL.
Loyal.
Loyal. Yes, very good.
Yeah.
After teaching her words with the same sound of diphthong pairs, it is important for me to do an activity with her to check the spellings. As children usually get confused when it comes to writing. So here what I am doing an activity where she needs to select a correct diphthong to complete a word. So let's start. So here, Filza, we have different pictures with a OI, oi and OY, oi sound of words with OU and OW, ow sound of words. Okay? So you need to select here between the two, which word, which diphthong will come. Okay? Now, take a clip. Do it now. Here, this is joy. So, J-O-Y will come or J-O-I will come? Y, yes, clip that. J-O-Y, good. Next, you have, what is this?
Money.
Coin. Coin. So, O-Y will come or O-I will come for coin? O-I will come for coin. C-O-I-N, coin. Do it here, Filza, please. C-O-I-N, coin. Now here, Filza, look here. What is this? Cow. So, O-W, very good. C-O-W, cow. Here, Filza. Next. Boy. B-O-I, boy or B-O-Y, boy? Y, very good. B-O-Y, boy. Next, these are Filza, toys. Look here, beta. Leave that. Toys. T-O-Y-S toys or T-O-I-S toys? Which one? T-O-I-S toys?
No.
No, T-O-Y-S toys. T-O-Y-S toys. Bas khalas, look here now. Now tell me, what is this? Oil. O-I-L, oil or O-Y-L? Yes, O-I-L, oil. Very good. Make it fast, Filza. Good. Next one, clown. O-W-N-C-L, O-W-N, clown? Yes, very good. Fast, fast. Now next one, crown. C-R-O-W-N or C-R-O-U-N, crown? Very good, crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. Next one. Now here this is boil. Boil. So B-O-I-L or B-O? Yes, B-O-I-L will come. Boil. Now Filza, tell me. This is brown color. So B-R-O-U-N or B-R-O-W-N? Yes, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Very good. Here, do it here, Filza, please. Good. Next one. Next one, Filza. Soil. So S-O-I-L or S-O-Y-L, soil. Very good. S-O-I-L. That's great. Fast, fast, Filza. Do it here. Yeah. Now, next one. House. O-U or O-W? Very good. Very good. Next one, foil. O-Y or O-I for foil? F-O-I-L or F-O-Y-L? O-I-L. F-O-I-L, foil. O-I. F-O-I-L. O-I. O-I sound. F-O-I-L, foil. Now next one. These are clouds. Very good. C-L-O-U-D, cloud.
I have only one.
Yes, yes. You have only one, no problem. Next one. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H or M-O-W-T-H? No. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Come on, come on. Yeah, next one. Owl. So O-W-L, owl or O-U-L, owl? Come on, Filza, first tell me. Yes, O-W. You can remove from. Very good. Very good. So this is how I made her read the words. But for kids, of course, it requires a lot of practice while writing. So to do so, every now and then ask them the spelling when you see any objects around, and that helps them in remembering the spellings. So that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you like it, and if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos to make your kids read quickly. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.